handle stress, pressure, and deadlines at work. Hello friends, today we will discuss chapter 11, pressure, how software engineers should deal with pressure. Uncle Bob discusses and gives some tips how to handle stress at the work. Uncle Bob talks about suppose you are a patient and you are undergoing some complicated surgery, and suppose your doctor has a unrealistic deadline. He has to perform 20 operations in one day and he's rushing to do your surgery, give you anesthesia, open your heart, moving his equipments very fast. How would you feel? You would not feel good. Same way he says software professionals should be calm all the time. They should maintain their balance, stay calm. They should not get into situations where they have to handle unrealistic expectations. But what Uncle Bob says, as a software professional, you should give realistic estimations, say no to unrealistic estimations, and in some cultures it may be very difficult to understand. I understand since I come from different culture and I work in different culture. I have seen software professionals giving realistic deadlines. They built up a reputation. They worked hard. They were professionals. They they did their best to meet their deadlines. And if they missed a deadline day one or two, people understood, okay, these are professionals. They must have come across some genuine reasons. There will be situations where you may get into situations you have to work hard to get deadline. But what Uncle Bob says is maintain your calm, stay calm, and think through how best you can meet the deadline. But Uncle Bob suggests is not to take some shortcuts. If you are used to writing automated unit tests, keep doing that even under stress. In a way, it makes sense. A lot of time, what we do is we take shortcuts, or we'll worry about writing automated unit tests later, refactoring later. We may write clean code later. Let's get the job done. And what happens? We get used to those shortcuts, and we stop using those practices. Another thing Uncle Bob says is communicate. The managers, they hate surprise. If you keep quiet and you tell last moment that you couldn't meet the deadline, people are going to be upset with you. So make sure you communicate, tell about the pressure you have, tell about the unrealistic deadlines, what kind of setbacks you are facing. Another great tip from Uncle Bob was ask for help. If you are working alone, if you can get somebody to do pair programming with you, give you another thoughts. And as I discussed in other videos, generally when you are doing pair programming, your productivity is more, you will be able to make deadline. So as a software professional, we should give realistic deadlines, make sure we don't get into a situation where due to our mistakes we have to meet unrealistic deadlines. And if some setbacks happen, maintain your calm, communicate, get help, and get the job done. So if you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for your regular updates. Also connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter, especially LinkedIn. If you like small summaries of the videos, I will be posting a lot of small summaries of the videos on LinkedIn. Thanks again.